The new year starts with an interesting storm, to say the least. There's a winter weather advisory that kicks in at noon tomorrow for the whole area. It lasts until midnight tomorrow night for Detroit area, Monroe area, and Adrian area, so Lenawee, Monroe, and Wayne counties. Now, it lasts longer into Saturday morning, 6 a.m. for Washtenaw, all the northern suburbs, and up to the north. Those areas will be a little bit colder, so you've got a longer period of now, I would say possible. It's likely icing and problems with sleet, freezing rain, and snow. Watch the temperatures now as we go up to the current time here. We keep dropping. 24 in Detroit. It is warmer in St. Louis, and you see just the very leading edge of the moisture getting there now. It'll be moving in tomorrow as the time goes along here. This is 10 o'clock in the morning. Watch it come in from the southwest, take over. The pink means the sleet and freezing rain. This is a little snow on the northern edge. And notice as we get into 3 o'clock in the afternoon or so, still talking about not a lot of actual rain because the temperatures don't warm up very much. We start so cold, it takes all day in some cases like Detroit down through Monroe County over toward Adrian to warm up, but it still may never get much above the freezing mark on the northern and western suburbs and farther north and west just because we start so cold. So it's going to be a tough go as we go along. Let's talk about the ice potential again coming in from the southwest. I think the issue around most of Metro Detroit, especially M59 and south, is going to be more about the icing on the roads, maybe a little bit of branch issue, power line issue, a little bit. But when you're talking about 1/10 of an inch, that's some weight on the lines, but not lots. So there could be some power outages, but I don't think it'll be a huge problem that way. It'll be a much bigger issue on the roads. Notice up north, not as much for the icing, but that's where the heaviest snow will be. Lapeer to Port Sanilac, 2 to 4 inches, 1 or 2. This is total now for all of Friday and Friday night. 2 to 4 there, 1 to 2 through the northern suburbs down toward Ann Arbor, and less than an inch in a good chunk of Wayne County, Lenawee, and Monroe County. So snow's not the bigger issue. Look at these lows overnight. 17 Lapeer, 18 in Howell, 14 in Detroit, 21, Ann Arbor 14, 21 in Detroit. When you start that cold, you just can't warm it up. Eventually in the Motor City we get to 35, but lots of spots struggle to get above the freezing mark. It's a tough go. You can see some of these numbers right around the freezing mark for highs tomorrow. So in for a long day. I think the roads get worse as it goes along. At least the morning, the first couple of hours probably going to be dry. 35 eventually tomorrow with the icing problem. Over the weekend we're in the 30s. Slight chance of snow real early Saturday, then Sunday in the afternoon. That wouldn't be much. Got a shot at getting back to the 40s by the time we get to the middle of the first week of